And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year, day 27. Let me show you how you can manually create pie charts. First up, we'll create a circle with the ellipse tool, hold Ctrl and go to 45-degree angle with your cursor. That way the aspect ratio is locked, but you can also set that here via width and height. Let me actually go to pixels and make that 400 times 400. I don't need a stroke, so I'll hold Shift and click on the X down here to get rid of it. Keep the red fill. And now when we activate right here the ellipse tool, you can see we have two circles for start and end point. I've explained that in one of the earlier videos. And you can see how you can adjust these pie pieces with it. But I think it's a little bit harder to position when you've got it like that. So it's a good idea to start with a full closed circle like this. Use the top function right there and then use Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to copy and paste. Give it a different color. Position it on top of the first circle and then use the ellipse tool and set start and end point. We'll start with 0 to 60 degrees. And now I always select the red one in the background, press Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Use the ellipse tool. And now I have to start at 60 degrees. That's where this brownish one ended. And then I go upwards to 150. Now it's always the same process. Once again, select the red one, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, reposition it in center. Activate the ellipse tool. We need to start at 150 here. And then we make that maybe 210. One more. For the green one, we'll start at 210. I'll go up to 300 maybe. And for the last segment, we'll simply keep the red circle right here as it's in the background. We only see this segment. And as you can see, if we zoom in, they're all positioned at the same center point. So this would be one way to create manual pie charts in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.